Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Abul Hossein Sarkar, Assistant Headmaster, Boberchur Wazirali High School, Gojaria, Munshigঞ্জ. Dear students of class 9, how are you? I hope all of you are very well and good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Dear students and learners, I would like to invite you for joining the online class with deep attention and great interest. Dear learners, today our topic is completing sentences part 2. The previous class I discussed 5 rules of completing sentence. Today I will discuss another 5 rules. Dear learners and viewers, let us start. Rule 6. Unless if ... Unless means if ... structure incomplete sentence plus a meaningful full sentence. Unless you work hard dash. According to structure, incomplete sentence plus a meaningful full sentence. Unless you work hard, it is an incomplete sentence. We have to join a meaningful full sentence with it. Unless you work hard, you will not prosper in life. Here, you will not prosper in life. This is a meaningful full sentence. Another example, unless you read attentively dash. According to structure, unless you read attentively, this is an incomplete sentence. You will fail. It is a meaningful sentence. Dear learners and viewers, Rule 7. Until / till. Structure incomplete sentence plus a full sentence. For example, wait until dash. Wait until the rain stops. Here, wait until is an incomplete sentence. According to structure plus a full sentence. Here, the rain stops. It is a full sentence. The next one, wait for me until dash. According to structure, wait for me until, this is an incomplete sentence plus a full sentence. I come back. This is a full sentence. Wait for me until I come back. Dear learners and viewers, Rule 8. As long as. Structure incomplete sentence plus a meaningful full sentence. For example, wait for me as long as dash. According to structure, wait for me as long as, this is an incomplete sentence. We have to join a full sentence with it. According to structure, incomplete sentence plus a full sentence. Here, wait for me as long as, this is an incomplete sentence. I return. This is a meaningful full sentence. Another example, Allah will be with us as long as dash. According to structure, Allah will be with us as long as, this is an incomplete sentence. Here, our aim is honest. This is a meaningful full sentence. Dear learners and viewers, Rule 9. Though, although, since, as, because. Structure incomplete sentence plus a full meaningful sentence. For example, though he is poor dash. According to structure, incomplete sentence plus a full sentence. Dear learners and viewers, though he is poor, this is an incomplete sentence. We have to join a full meaningful sentence with it. Though he is poor, this is an incomplete sentence. He is honest. Here, this is a full meaningful sentence. Clear? Next, since as, he was ill dash. According to structure, incomplete sentence plus a full meaningful sentence. Dear learners and viewers, since oblique as he was ill, this is an incomplete sentence. He could not attend school, this is a full meaningful sentence. Since oblique as he was ill, he could not attend school. You should bear in mind that the subordinate clause since oblique as he was ill, this is past indefinite tense. Here to be verb was. This is past indefinite tense. The principal clause will be past indefinite tense. He could not attend school. This is also past indefinite tense. Next one. Crops did not grow well since dash. According to structure, incomplete sentence plus a full meaningful sentence. Dear learners and viewers, crops did not grow well since. This is an incomplete sentence. We have to join a full meaningful sentence with it. Here, crops did not grow well since. This is an incomplete sentence. There was drought. This is a full meaningful sentence. Crops did not grow well since there was drought. The subordinate clause, since there was drought, this is past indefinite tense because here principal clause is also past indefinite tense. Rule 10. Dear learners and viewers, look at the whiteboard. I have written three structures here. The first one is no sooner had ... then. The second one is scarcely had ... when. The third one is hardly had ... when. For example, no sooner had I gone out dash. According to structure, no sooner had ... then. No sooner had I gone out than he came. Dear learners and viewers, before then we have to use past perfect tense and after then we have to use past indefinite tense. The second one is scarcely had we reached the station dash. According to structure, scarcely had ... when. Scarcely had we reached the station when the train left. Dear learners and viewers, before when you have to use past perfect tense and after when you have to use past indefinite tense. The third example, hardly had he reached the college dash. According to structure, hardly had ... when. Hardly had he reached the college when the examination began. Before when we have to use past perfect tense and after when we have to use past indefinite tense. Dear students, note, remember that before then oblique when the past perfect tense will be used and after then oblique when the past indefinite tense will be used. Dear learners and viewers, I discussed only 5 rules today's class. The next class I will discuss another 5 rules. Dear learners and viewers, I hope all of you have understood the class properly. I would like to request you to go through the grammar book very attentively, properly and carefully. Today I am going to finish my class. Stay home, stay safe. I would like to request you, take care of your health. Remember that health is wealth. It is the root of all happiness. Thank you everybody very much. No more today. Goodbye. See you in the next class.